Google, the world's largest search monopoly, has done something no one expected. The tech giant has released 10 amazing new generative AI courses to the public for free. This is a really great opportunity for developers out there to learn more about large language models and how to train them. The courses will take you through the fundamentals of large language models and how to create and deploy generative AI solutions on the Google Cloud platform. We'll be exploring every single one of these courses today, so sit back and watch till the end. But before we get started, welcome to the AI Trend, your go-to destination for all things AI. We are dedicated to bring you the latest developments, breakthroughs, and releases in artificial intelligence technology. So subscribe to stay updated on how AI is reshaping our world. Without further delay, let's begin. Now, I know some of you are thinking, why is Google giving out free courses about AI all of a sudden? Well, that's because Google is trying to educate the public more on how to handle AI systems and how these systems operate. While it is true that there are many AI tools out there, most people don't understand the true potential of these tools. Take ChatGPT for example. Most people take the AI chatbot as a simple content generation tool. However, ChatGPT is far more powerful than that. The AI chatbot is so powerful that it can be made to do diverse tasks that you can't even imagine. So, in order to make people understand more about how these AI systems function, Google has decided to give out free courses teaching people how to interact and even create their own AI models. Not everyone believes this, however, as some people say the tech giant is only doing this to attract developers into the Google training system and using its software to build their own AI and machine learning models, helping to solidify Google's place in the AI race. Either way, this is a great opportunity for new developers and even experienced ones to get into the world of artificial intelligence. Also, I can't understand if this is Google's way of bringing future AI enthusiasts into its program, and I'll tell you why. The US Bureau of Labor Statistics previously predicted that there would be a 36% increase in the growth rate for data scientist roles over the next 10 years. So these new courses are practical for companies like Google to gather a lot of AI-focused data scientists in the future. Before I talk about the courses Google has released, I'm going to talk about something really important. First off, what is this generative AI we've all been hearing about, and why should you learn it? Generative AI is a fascinating field of artificial intelligence that teaches machines to be creative. It enables them to produce original and realistic content like text, images, music, and more. Basically, it's like training machines to be artists. The way it works is by using machine learning models to analyze existing patterns and styles in data. By understanding these patterns, generative AI models can generate new data that follow similar styles. It's like teaching machines to imitate human-like creations. The cool thing about generative AI is that its possibilities are limitless. It has completely transformed various industries such as art, design, entertainment, and even healthcare. For example, it can generate natural language responses, create lifelike images, and so much more. Imagine having the skills to work with generative AI. You can create your own versions of popular AI systems like ChatGPT or Google Bard or Midjourney. Honestly, the world of generative AI is evolving faster than ever, and this is a great way to get on the ride before it is too late to catch up. The second thing we're going to look at is what exactly you are going to learn in these courses. Now, here's a summary of everything you're going to learn when you take these courses. Number 1. Fundamentals of Large Language Models. So, the course plan starts by teaching you the basics of large language models. These models are designed to understand and generate human-like text by analyzing huge amounts of data. You will learn how they are built, how they are trained, and how they are used in tasks like understanding and processing human language. Number 2. Understanding generative AI techniques. After learning the fundamentals of LLMs, you will learn the techniques used to generate creative content with AI. The courses will allow you to understand topics like generative adversarial networks or GANs, which can create realistic images and videos, and variational autoencoders or VAEs, which can generate new and unique content. You will also learn about transformer models, which are really good at understanding and generating text. Number 3. Training and fine-tuning models. Once you understand these techniques, you will learn how to train and fine-tune AI models using large datasets. This process involves feeding the model with lots of examples and helping it improve over time. Number 4. Ethical considerations in generative AI. You will also explore the potential ethical issues that can arise with AI technologies and how to approach them responsibly. This is to ensure that the AI systems you create are fair, unbiased, and respectful of people's privacy and rights. Number 5. Implementing generative AI on Google Cloud. Finally, you'll discover how to use Google Cloud's AI services and infrastructure to build and develop generative AI solutions at scale. Google Cloud provides powerful tools and resources that make it easier for developers and researchers to create and work with generative AI models. Now that we're done with what you learned from these courses, let's explore each of these courses individually. So, the first course is titled Introduction to Generative AI. This module is aimed at explaining what generative AI is, how it is used, and how it differs from traditional machine learning methods. It also covers Google tools to help you develop your own generative AI apps. Introduction to Large Language Models. This micro-learning course explores what large language models are, instances where they can be used, and how you can use prompt tuning to enhance LLM performance. Introduction to Responsible AI. This course is aimed at explaining what reasonable AI is, why it's important, and how Google implements responsible AI in its products. It also introduces Google's 7 AI principles. Generative AI Fundamentals. This module will teach you the fundamentals of generative AI and all you need to know about the responsible use of large language models. Introduction to Image Generation. This course talks about diffusion models, a family of machine learning models that recently showed promise in the image generation space. Diffusion models draw inspiration from physics, specifically thermodynamics. Diffusion models are a really important part of AI technology, and this course talks about them in detail. Encoder-decoder architecture. This course gives you a synopsis of the encoder-decoder architecture, which is a powerful and prevalent machine learning architecture for sequence-to-sequence tasks, such as machine translation, text summarization, and question answering. Here, you will learn about the main components of the encoder-decoder architecture and how to train and serve these models. Attention mechanism. This model will introduce you to the attention mechanism, a powerful technique that allows neural networks to focus on specific parts of an input sequence. You will learn how attention works and how it can be used to improve the performance of a variety of machine learning tasks, including machine translation, text summarization, and question answering. Transformer models and BERT model. This course introduces you to the transformer architecture and the bidirectional encoder representations from transformers or BERT model. You learn about the main components of the transformer architecture, such as the self-attention mechanism and how it is used to build the BERT model. Create image captioning models. This course teaches you how to create an image captioning model by using deep learning. You will learn about the different components of an image captioning model, such as the encoder and decoder, and how to train and evaluate your model. Introduction to Generative AI Studio. This course introduces Generative AI Studio, a product on Vertex AI that helps you prototype and customize generative AI models so you can use their capabilities in your applications. In this course, you'll learn what Generative AI Studio is, its features and options, and how to use it by walking through demos of the product. So, how do you access these free Google courses? Well, it's pretty simple. Just head over to the Google Cloud Skills Boost website, go to the Generative AI Learning path, and explore the collection of the 10 Generative AI courses on the platform. Each AI course is designed to build upon the previous one, ensuring a smooth learning journey as you delve deeper into the world of Generative AI. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to stay updated about the latest developments in the world of AI.